गुरुवे नमो 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 नारायण नमो नारायण नमो नारायण नमो 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 नारायण नमो नारायण नमो नारायण नमो नमो नमः श्री गुरुवे नमः श्री गुरुवे नमः श्री गुरुवे नमो नमो नमः श्री गुरुवे नमो नमो नमः श्री गुरुवे नमो नमो शंभो महादेव देवा शंभो महादेव देवा शिव शंभो महादेव देवेश शंभो शंभो महादेव देवा शिव शंभो महादेव देवेश शंभो शंभो महादेव देवा शंभो महादेव देवा शंभो महादेव देवा शिवाय परमेश्वराय शशिशेखराय नमः भवाय गुणशाभवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय शशिशेखराय नमः भवाय गुणशाभवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः शिव 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 शिवाय नमः भव 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 भवाय नमः शिवाय नमः भवाय नमः शिवाय नमः भवाय नमः शिव 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 शिवाय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय शशिशेखराय नमः भवाय गुणशाभवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः शिवताण्डवाय नमः शिवताण्डवाय नमः 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 कन्ना कन्ना गोविंद कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना 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 गोविंद कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना नंद कुमार नवनीत किशोर राधा वल्लभ गोविंद कन्ना नंद कुमार नवनीत किशोर राधा वल्लभ गोविंद कन्ना 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 गोविंद कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना 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 गोविंद कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल कन्ना Okay, so that was the song. Shall we try Kanna Kanna with the hands? This is what happens in the music class. Okay, so where shall we start? Nandakumara? Okay, ready? Start. Nandakumara, Navneet Chora, Radha Vallabha Govinda Kanna. Nandakumara, Navneet Chora, Radha Vallabha Govinda Kanna. So what's the meaning of that? What did you do? Yes, you put your hand up first. So Nandakumara, what is the meaning of Nanda's son? Who is Nanda? Father of? Of? Whom are we talking about? Yes, Bharti. Krishna. Correct? Krishna is Nanda's son. Good. Nanda Kumara Navneet Chora. Arya, yes, tell me.
Stealing butter.
Stealing butter. Navneet is butter Chora. Right? Krishna stealing butter. And then Radha Vallabha. Bharti put up first. Krishna's best friend Radha. Radha Vallabha Govinda Kanna. Okay, fine. Then the other one. Rasa Vihara Rama Sahodara. Yes, wait. Rama Sahodara. You want to help? Yes. Nikita.
Balarama's friend.
Balarama's Sahodara. Brother. Okay. Balarama's brother. Okay. Yes, Dharani. Yes. Rajiva Lochana. Do all of you do. Let me see. Rajiva Lochana Gopala Kanna. Rasa Vihara Rama Sahodara. Rajiva Lochana Gopala Kanna. Nanda Kumara Navnita Chora. Radha Vallabha Govinda Kanna. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, before you all go. Wait, before you all go, do you want to tell them why you like particulars? Particulars, sorry. The word particle is music. So, what is music class to you? Yes. Anyone wants to? Yes, Nikhil?
Because we see.
Because you sing. Okay, sing. Good. Yes, Arya? You like the songs. Okay, yes, Darini? You like Shivaya. Very good. Yes, Kritika? I like the songs. Yes, Ved? You like the songs. Thank you very much. Can anyone guess how old Ved is? Yes, yes. How old is Ved? 3 years old. Thank you. And you all missed something. I asked the same question down. And the first answer that came was because we get sweets.